We are on our first lesson, declaring and initializing variables. Comment your JavaScript. Now that you are building in public, let's dive into the lesson. Comments are lines of code that JavaScript will intentionally ignore. Comments are a great way to leave notes to yourself and other people who will later need to figure out what code does. There are two ways to write comments in JavaScript. Use / will tell JavaScript to ignore the remainder of the text on the current line. This is an inline comment. So this takes only single line, that's why it's an inline comment. You can make multi-line comment beginning with */* and then ending with */. This is a multi-line comment. As you write code, you should regularly add comments to clarify the function of the parts of your code. Good commenting can help communicate the intent of your code, both for others and for your future self. Don't just read, take action. Throughout this course, we want you to code while you learn. Don't just read about JavaScript, write JavaScript. To help, we have development environment built for you called gitpod. Gitpod is a cloud environment, which means it will work from any computer, phone, or you might be using. There is no need to download anything fancy. What's even better, our gitpod will let you run and test code. I'm just going to open my gitpod. I'm just going to click on continue with GitHub and it will ask me to link my account. Since I already linked my account, so it will directly open a new environment for me. And since it says that you can code along as you learn, I will first learn and then I will code. First, as you can see, it is very simple and everything is working now. So all you need to do is you have this playground.js and in the rear code. Now let's continue.